Right, welcome back to the channel, guys. This is part 2 of a 3-part special on Mull. We're just heading to Tobermory, back to the digs. It's actually snowing and I've got to go over a mountain. Oh, this is what we signed up for. Outlander rides. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I can't believe it's snowing. I mean, it's cold enough, it's freezing. But waterfalls, I've seen deer, 2 big stags, loads of Highland cows, epic scenery, snow, the big 640 adventure loving life. I'm hoping there's a fuel station on here. Gotta be, haven't there? Wicked. I don't know. I don't actually know how well we were doing for fuel. 1167. Ooh, brimmed her. Brimmed her. Brim the old girl. Dee dee dee. I love little petrol stations like this, it says. Douche. Thank you very much, sir. Just wait till it does the thing. Thank you, matey. See you later. Oh, nice and warm in there. Big waterfall going down into Tobermory. Popping and farting and pop. Hey! Yes! This is my childhood, this, on TV. What's the story in Balamory, wouldn't you like to know? What's the story in Balamory, wouldn't you like to go? Balamory, Balamory, this is it. Big yellow van, that must be the sportswoman. Fish and chips, is anything open? Co-op, co-op, co-op's open. That's what we need. Fisherman's seafood. No, I don't want that. Big clock tower. Whoa, Tobermory chili takeaway. Pizzas, kebabs. So, just got my tea. Look at it. Got a kebab. I've got a kebab. Large doner. Big doner. Apparently I'm only staying up the hill, so I thought it can last, even if it's all at the bottom of the box. Top of there. This is the key in the door. The hidden hut. Yes, so nice and warm. Kettle. Where's the lights? Sink lights. Whoa. Keys in the door. This is it. 1 bedroom. Bathroom. Whoa. It's going to get used in about 8 seconds, that. Things to do. Awesome. Good job I brought me lappy. Got some YouTube. It's cool, man. It's a cool little place. Anyway, guys, I'm going to scroll. I'm starving. Here's to another amazing day on Mull. That's hot. Nice stuff. Right, morning guys. Day 2 of Mull. I've got to put all my gear away. I've got my pants and jacket on the floor. I'm not a scruffy bugger, but it's really hot. It's heated floor, so everything's... And then I've got my little parking space, the beast, put a bin behind it for protection, just in case. And head off round Mull. I'm going to go to the castle first, I think. It's on here. If this is the Mull one, it should be. A lot of little ding dang do at this. So we're there. And we're going to head round and up to the Glengorm Castle. And then from the Glengorm Castle, we're going to come back down this way, see what we can find on the B8073. And then we're going to come round the coffee pot. If I can go there and have a coffee, I definitely will. Fly down this way, down the 8035. This is the road I really want to go down. This little bit here, the B8035, so B8035, yeah, pick. And then we're gonna put all this stuff away now, cause I need to. That's the hidden hut, guys. Beautiful little place. Absolutely epic. Loved every second of it. Right, let's go. Glengorm Castle via the come-up. But it's snowing, guys. It's snowing. Of course it is. Why would it not be? Me just waking everyone up. How stunning it is. Oh yeah.
Was it Tobermory before?
Yeah, I've got the Tobermory still.
Aye.
Still got the Tobermory still.
I was watching one of your rides up, what was the dam called?
Glen Lyon. Up at Laura's Dam, whatever.
Laura's Dam.
No way.
I think, when was it? I was camping there a wee while ago.
Yeah.
And then, because I was watching bike video, it was after my Mod 1 test.
Nice.
I went up camping there and then I seen your video and I was like, that's fucking cool.
That's mate. You need to come out. Let us know if you comment. Well, if you get your licence, come with me.
I've got just bought a SV650.
Oh, nice.
So,
nice, man.
I've kept it down in Crieff at the minute.
Yeah.
I'm not bringing it up here.
No, it's nice down that way though, isn't it?
Oh, there, I seen it. I was like, looks awfully familiar. And I seen the number plate and I just quickly looked at the videos.
That's him. Do you know what? It's 21-year-old, so I thought it's just to add something a bit different to the channel. But no, mate, it's good to meet you.
Oh, that's cool.
And let us know if you ever want to go for a ride, mate.
I'll send you a wee message.
Yeah, just message me. Yeah,
Right.
Lovely to meet you, buddy. See you later. See you soon, man. See ya. me, man. Never rode in the snow before. Yeah, so let's get up to Glengorm Castle, about 15 minutes from here apparently. Ooh, sketchy. Jesus, don't we want to be putting it down on here, do we? She's lasted 21 years, I don't need to be sticking in a ditch now, do I? Oh. We're just sliding, guys. I don't know whether it'd be better to abandon this here route. Oh, we can do it. I'm gonna go on the fresh. Oh, fresh is where it's at. Concentrating, guys, concentrating. If it's 3 minutes, 3 miles, I mean. I've got off-road tyres, surely I should just be able to chug a boom around. I'm hoping the main roads aren't like this. Ah, what a bad I am. What am I doing? Beautiful, beautiful. Snowy roads. Glengorm Castle, I can see it. That's beautiful, isn't it? Wow. How's it not snowed here? Boys, girls, I mean, little babies. Oh, they're cute. Ooh, here she is. This is stunning. Take it you can stay here then. This is ace. Sketchy as, but ace. I'll take it steady. I can't actually see anything. I think I really need a new helmet. Right, we're back to snow now. Visibility is fucking nothing. A bit better. Ooh. Come to Mull. It's supposed to be sunny today. You know that, don't you? It's supposed to be sunny. Yep. I think this is worse than rain. I can't see anything. I think I need to do an itchy boots and go ride over in Asia somewhere where it's hot. She's got it nailed on. Go on, guys. I'll go this side. Just stop running, boys. Or girls, even. The sheepies. There we go. They're all safe now. Let's get down to De Veeg. Oh, De Veeg, I don't know how to say it. I'm always saying everything wrong, but De Veeg it is to me. Get a coffee and a warm seat somewhere, hopefully, if there's any cafes. The roads on Mull are absolutely amazing. You can see why they have the rally here. Apparently they had it at the north of the island this year. I was reading up last night. But yeah, beautiful, epic. Woo, baby. The roads are epic. Very Black Nabar-esque on the NC500. That's what it reminds me of. Woohoo! Look at that view! Just rain now, I think. Look at this. Oh wow. He's thinking, I wouldn't want to be that bend on that bike. Well, this is stunning. I wonder if this is De Veeg. Kind of hope it is. Oh yes, there's got to be a cafe here. Got to be a cafe here. De Veeg, yes. Potato shooter again. The Bellacore, is that open? Ah, ooh. Open Monday to Saturday. 9 till 6. Don't look open though, does it? 3 PM till 9:30. Not just a shop here or something. What a beautiful place this is, by the way. It's like marshlands, obviously it's the sea, but it looks what it looks like. So now we're going to Calgary Beach. Oh, I can see. We're going to head to Calgary Beach, and then hopefully there's a cafe open there, because this restaurant doesn't open till 3. The old Buyer closed, Heritage Centre. Everything's going to be closed, isn't it? But the beach's running sweet. Roads are amazing. They're absolutely amazing. Wind's picking up a little bit now though, it's getting cold. We'll Coming down to Calgary Beach now, guys. Whoa, look at that. That's cool. Look at that. Hopefully you can see it. Wow. Robin's boat. Filthy. She's filthy as the old girl. Absolutely filth. Gloves warming up nicely. Oh, it's gone cool already. Oh. But she's filthy. I need to clean the headlight out. Oh, I need a new headlight because it's a bit knackered. Calgary Beach. It's beautiful. So we're at the beach. We're at the beach. Get out there. This is sick. This. Whoa. That was Calgary Beach. Absolutely stunning. It's probably one of the nicest beaches I've been to in Scott Vegas. That was unreal. Not gonna lie. Stunning. It's freezing, by the way. I think it's about 11, so I want to get to the 8035. Really want to go there. We'll go there now. See you soon.